Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I love finding versatile, beautiful pieces to add to my home. I have a very large sectional style couch, and so it can be difficult to reach that one table I have. I wanted something that would make it easy to have drinks or snacks when you're sitting on the couch that was sturdy but also beautiful. And I found it with this acacia wood ottoman tray from VVEROS. Now, it comes with a set of coasters, which the entire set makes a perfect gift. It even comes ready to be wrapped, or you can send it just as it is. It is gift boxed, so it arrives beautifully to your gift recipient, and who wouldn't want this gorgeous tray as a gift? It's sturdy, the handles are excellently made, and you just get the feeling that you can carry this pretty much anywhere, and that's exactly what we've done. We use it in the living room on the couch like I originally purposed, but we also take it outside to my patio to transport our morning coffee. It's definitely a go-to piece, but even if you just leave it on display in your home, it looks beautiful. I feel like it's a hard worker that even looks gorgeous when you're not technically using it. So it's been an excellent addition to our home. It has actually exceeded my high expectations. The wood is beautiful all around, and it is well made. So if you're in need of a little extra place to place food or snacks or all sorts of things, an ottoman tray might be what you're looking for. This one from VVEROS is going to be a multitasker that's going to look gorgeous even when it's doing absolutely nothing but just being on display. And that is my point of view.